You are watching Daily Forex News YouTube channel. Let's start. Hey precious metals pals, gather round for today's gold market news. The shiny stuff took a bit of a tumble on Wednesday, but the greenback's weakness offered some support. Let's dig into this financial fiesta. Gold goes gloomy, the yellow beacon slipped 0.3%. Trading at $2,021.99 per ounce. Looks like that Midas touch ain't so strong today. Dollar dragged down, the greenback weakened, making gold a tad cheaper for international buyers. But hey, even with this perk, gold couldn't quite hold its ground. U.S. economy shines. Data showed strong U.S. business activity, suggesting the economy might be more resilient than some thought. This could push back expectations of the Fed cutting interest rates soon, which generally weakens gold's appeal. Rate roulette, investors are now adjusting their bets on the Fed's next move, with the first rate cut potentially being further down the road. This shift in sentiment is affecting gold prices. China steps up. China's central bank injected some cash into the market, aiming to boost their economy and potentially weaken the dollar. This, in turn, could offer some support to gold prices. Data deluge ahead, get ready for an information overload. Key data releases like US GDP and personal consumption expenditure are coming up, which could further influence gold's trajectory. Precious pals perform. While gold wasn't feeling its best, its silver pal rose 1.1%, platinum gained 0.3%, and palladium climbed 0.8%. So, some mixed signals in the precious metals market today. Stay tuned, treasure hunters. The gold market is like a treasure chest, full of surprises and ever-changing dynamics. Keep your eyes peeled on Daily Forex News for expert analysis and updates. We'll help you navigate these financial waters and make informed decisions about your precious metal investments. Don't miss out on the latest glitter and gleam in the market.